around this cone right here. Now go around all three of these cones that way.
Are you showing me in the picture?
No.
No, what?
Go around that cone.
This one?
That way. I'll go that way. To those red cones over there.
Like this?
And now go around those three.
This way or that way?
Those, that way. That's fine.
Now what?
They go around these two. Just go around that way. Ashley Connolly, pro race car driver. Wanna go down the chute? Don't go faster than this. Unless you ship.
I'm not gonna ship.
Go around this cone. Yes, pro race car drivers play with their hair while they're flying at amazing speeds at 5,000 RPMs.
Now what? This way?
No, do whatever you want to. There's Ashley Donut. And she didn't stall. Another Ashley Donut, yeah. Only pros know how to do that.
I'm gonna try that.
And she's gonna stall it.
Okay.
How did you not stall it?
I don't